Good morning, my dear students. Let us see first lesson geometrical constructions. In previous video, we have seen construction of triangle and its two types. Now let us see third type, to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. It means that two angles are given and one side is given, that is included side between two angles, and we have to construct a triangle. Now let us see example number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that length of YX or length of XY is equal to 6 cm, measure of angle ZXY is equal to 30 degree, and measure of angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree. Now see here, one side is given XY or YX is equal to 6 cm and two angles are given. So by using these three, we have to draw a rough figure. So step number 1, according to the rough figure, we can draw segment YX as base. So first we have to draw rough figure. So this is YX, angle XYZ. It means that angle Y is given 100 degree. 100 degree means greater than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. And angle X is given. At this point, angle X, we can take 30 degree. Now triangle XYZ, at this point we can say point Z. So angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree and angle ZXY or YXZ is equal to 30 degree. So by using this, we have to draw required figure. So according to rough figure, draw segment YX as base, and YX is given 6 cm. So we have to take 6 cm, start from 0 to 6 cm. So this is YX of 6 cm. Now at this point Y, we have to draw angle 100 degree. So that is, we have to take ray YR such that XYR is equal to 100 degree. So we have to take protractor. Now this middle point we have to put on this point Y and this line on the line segment YX. See the direction of line segment, it is on right hand side. So start from this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 degree. So you have to mark here. Now we have to join these 2 points. And give this point R. Name the point R. Now we got ray YR. So angle Y 100 degree. Now we have to draw another angle on the point X. So on the same side of segment YX as point R, draw ray XD so that angle YXD is equal to 30 degree. That is this angle. Again we have to take protractor, and now we have to put this point on the point X. Now see the direction of this segment. So it is on left hand side. So start from left hand side and take angle of 30 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30. So here 30 degree. So mark here and join these 2 points. Now give to this point. Now angle YXD is equal to 30 degree. Now name the point of intersection of these two rays YR and XD, that is Z. And now we got triangle YXZ or XYZ. Angle Y is equal to, that is XYZ is equal to 100 degree, and measure of angle ZXY is equal to 30 degree. Now this is required diagram or required figure. So by using this rough figure, we can draw any required diagram. So let us see another example from practice set 4. So let us see practice set 4. The triangles of the measures given below. Number 1. In triangle SAT, length of AT is equal to 6 meter. Measure of angle A is equal to 45 degree. Measure of angle T is equal to 105 degree. Now first we have to draw a rough figure. So first we have to take segment AT is equal to 6.4. So start from now see AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 45 degree. 45 which is less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. And T is 105 degree, that is obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. And angle A 45 degree. So for this point we can give the name point S. Point S. Therefore we get triangle SAT. Angle A 45, angle T 105 degree, and length of AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. This is rough figure, and by using this rough figure we can draw required figure. So we have to take base AT of 6.4 centimeter. So start from 0, and after 6 we have to take 4 lines, and 6.4 which is lies between 6 to 7. Therefore here we have to take base AT of 6.4. Now we got segment AT of 6.4 centimeter. Now we have to take protractor, and we have to take angle T is equal to 105 degree. So put this point on this point T, and this line on this line segment AT. Now see the direction of this line segment. It is on left hand side. So start from left hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And here 110 is there. So we want 105. Therefore this middle line 100 plus 5, that is 105 degree. Now join these 2 points and draw the ray. Here we can give the point R. Now we got angle T of 105 degree. Now we have to draw angle A of 45 degree. So put on this point A, and this line on this line segment AT. See the direction of this line segment. So start from right hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and plus line plus 5, that is we got 45. 45 lies between 40 to 50 degree. Now draw this or join these 2 points. this point we can write here. So this is ray TR, and for this segment, for this ray we can give the name P. So here name the point of intersection of these two rays AP and TR, that is point S. And now we got triangle SAT. Angle A is equal to 45 degree, angle T 105 degree, and segment AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. And intersection of these two rays we got point S, and therefore we got triangle SAT. So this is required figure. So by using this rough figure we drew required figure. So I will give you a few more examples from practice set 4. So you have to solve in your homework notebook. And let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.